Mario almost got a spike up his P.
Whoa!
Viewers, it's time for another fan favorite level.
Bad
Not
enough.
this one.
The one over to the left. Oh, this is the other one I was thinking of. So
This is making me actually upset the way that these are fucking numbered.
I hate it, dude.
So you
Blast
need
Block Skyway.
Blast Block Skyway, and all four, we can actually hear it this time. Alright, let's do this. Back we are.
Blast Block Skyway.
Block Skyway. I just want you to take a minute at the beginning to appreciate what the hell we have to go through.
Spike!
With lag.
I could tell you're Canadian whenever you say lag.
No.
Off to a
Tanuki,
rocket start. Oh, we're gonna need those Tanukis. Aye! I'm being attacked by the furries.
fuck you, Spike.
Nice. Mario? It's normally not this slow, it's because of the online.
Mario switch.
Oh, Mario, let's go. You're needed.
We need you for $3. Hello? I want my $3 that
Nice
come with
job.
it.
Oh,
Don't kill me.
did it?
Oh, it's just
Wait.
coins. Okay.
What the hell, dude?
That was so
It did.
useful. That's the first time this.
Hi, Spike. Bye, Spike.
Oh my god, the spin is the only reason I'm still here. Ooh,
you basically
Toad!
Yeah, I'm so
Toad!
dead.
Grab those Tanukis for them. Good for you.
Oh! I almost went in the box by accident.
Fuck. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. It's a lot faster in single player.
Oh, is that
way they
special?
switch. It's so weird in online.
Look, it's Mario.
Oh my Christ.
Stop making fun of me.
I'm not. I mean, me not.
Me hoy minoy.
And then Mario wants to murder me too for good measure. What the heck?
Oh god.
No, dude, get up there, you dummy.
Ooh!
Yes, man. I made it.
Here, I'll go top lane and then you hit that.
Well, I guess the.
Alright,
one-
cool, never mind.
You just want to take the star for yourself.
No, I just wanted to help team, teamwork efficiency.
That's what you said.
Watch these skills.
Nice, perfect teamwork.
Now it's time for the big boy.
Oh, this
Oh
one again.
no!
But it's a lot faster than last time. This is gonna be a mess, dude. A mess and a half.
I can't wait to burn our legs.
I
Yeah,
think
let me go kill.
Peach probably,
kill,
with how overpowered she is on this level, could probably just float down the entire way.
Yeah. Oh, he's just going. He's just going.
Please don't tell this.
He likes this
Oh.
level, so he just wants to stunt on us. You know what? Maybe it's for the better. Watch this. Okay. Don't miss that. Don't miss that. Yeah, real nice starting the slide without us now, huh?
And we gotta redo the entire.
Oh, real nice, real nice.
No.
Mamma mia, Mario.
Did you mean to put a donkey there?
Well, I hope we have fun playing the level from the start.
That's fine. It'll be fine.
And this one's fun, anyways.
Yeah, this one's funny. Dude, I
think we'll have this time.
I don't need a Tanuki.
They disappoint me.
Alright.
Oh, Bad Bones is too short.
Well, you know what? Maybe I won't go through the ring then if you're already up.
Yeah, because that's how you work. And you still got it anyway.
Yo, watch these mad skills.
Oh no, I
This is
should
the
have
second
carried
time
me.
you pressed that. That was funny the second time.
Alright, watch this, guys. It's time. But first, I need to go kill Jerry and Barry.
Aw. They were brothers.
Nice! You killed Barry, I killed Jerry.
Wait, was there more suits?
Oh god, there's no time to find out, Avi.
Go,
Oh, maybe
brother.
there was.
Wait.
Nice job.
Okay, we're good.
There were, I'm pretty sure.
Point. Oh, there were. Okay.
There you go.
I was like, are you Luigi? You gotta watch the timing start. It's not the same now that we're playing online.
Well.
The best way is to take it slow.
And murder your friend.
No, I missed it.
You're lucky I've stayed alive the whole time.
Right. And got it. Now I just need to not die.
Oh, I'm dead, dude.
Hey, that's fine.
Go, go.
That's how it's done. I did it.
I did it, dude.
This flagpole seems annoying.
You didn't do shit. I did it. Okay, Tanukis, the flagpole should be free.
I didn't want that, dude.
Mario, I'm not trying to do that. Ooh, that was a good shot. Is that the dress or are those my hips IRL?
Good, childbearing hips.
I see.
Haha.
It wasn't a joke.
Next level.
Right.
It's so awkward having to navigate back and forth.
It is, dude. Oh, it's Koopa's time.
Another shooter level?
Oh, we did terrible the first shooter.
Look, I didn't realize that my boomerang would reach that far.
Okay.
So I tried to.
This one's kind of weird. You remember this level's wide open. We gotta hurry.
Oh shit.
Our main objective is to kill the tower, but we gotta go get collectibles.
Whoa.
This is cool.
It is. I wish I could see my fucking self.
Right. Is there anything over here?
Okay, we need to... Don't kill the fire bro. Don't kill the fire bro, because he needs to light
Need
those.
Uh,
I'm gonna lower him a little. Just a smidgen.
I don't even think you need to, really.
come on, fire bro.
Nice.
Ow!
Fire bro? Fire bro?
Can you-
How did you not like
Dude,
that?
just let him aggro me.
Fire bro?
Oh my god, dude, this guy.
Should I make him lower? I'm gonna murder.
Dude.
Dude.
Yeah, I can't do it at all, dude.
Nicely done, Mr. Don't Kill the Fire, bro.
With your explosion. No, that makes sense.
The spin is too good.
No! I jumped too much, man.
You know what? My Tanuki tail is, it won't do as much damage as the spin. Here, come here, brother.
There's
Here,
fire
here,
power
brother.
right here.
Oh,
Peach, come grab one. You're the only
Really?
you're the one without a power up. Okay, never mind.
Brando, really?
did you say so?
And you got the fire. You got the freaking star.
Kill him with this.
All right, let's go. We gotta move.
I'm kind of obligated to.
We gotta move.
Not just inclined, obligated.
We gotta dash.
There's a timer down there, but I don't think there's a star or anything.
No, we don't need that one. We gotta go this way. Everyone went for the wall.
There. That's just
there's
that's
nothing.
actually.
Oh, we're good.
Ooh,
My
They give
favorite
you like
part.
every power up.
I love this kid.
no, leave me alone.
Okay, brothers, we gotta go kill all these freaks.
Like I can do that. It's fine. Don't worry. I have this thing called a fire flower.
I have this thing called extra time.
Are you called bubbling me, you griefer?
What does that even mean?
It's a Minecraft term.
No.
Oh,
Dude, I'm so good.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
Now to. Oh!
where's the star?
Oh, we already got it.
Oh, we did. Where's the third one?
I grabbed it.
It was for the torches, right? I forgot the first one was just kind of there on the clouds.
Yeah, it was.
No, the third one is at the far right by. There was a stack of goombers.
Yeah.
I was just so
Yeah,
bad.
it was.
You were like, don't bubble me.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. I was trying to murder it.
That's right.
That's right. Time
That's
for me
okay.
to suck at the shooter.
Time for me.
We saw how well the first one went. It took us like half an hour.
Honeycomb Skyway.
Just because it's an auto scroller.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Mario.
Bye bye. I don't want to get rid of this. Actually, you know what? You guys can have fun shooting.
We'll keep a spare one in case. Oh,
No, you
boy.
should not be pressing Y ever on this level.
What do you mean? Isn't that how you shoot?
Yeah, but you don't have one.
I'll just do this. I'll just farm, dude.
See, AV,
That's not
AV, you
better.
gotta bully. You see, bullying me is way more fun, right?
No, it's fun to bully everyone.
Oh, okay. All right, cool.
Woo!
You wouldn't get. You got in my way.
Kill
I
him.
was literally standing in place.
I might.
Wait, we're at the star?
I-
Don't hit me! Oh my god.
You know
Oh my
what?
gosh,
Good.
my drifting! My controller.
Good.
Oh no.
I'm gonna be a meow meow.
We don't have any more, dude. Oh,
Oh
fuck.
no, you're right.
I might get some later on though, right? Maybe?
Dude, these levels suck. They don't suck. I'm just bad.
Wait, you took my
can-
flower.
Ah,
You're
Since
the
we
only
got
one that can shoot.
Mario, save us.
Since we. Oh gosh.
I almost got munched.
Oh, you're cherried up now.
Yeah, since we have 3 people, then we can just.
Here, Peach, hit these.
There's probably more in there.
They call me
There we go.
Sharpshooter Rosie, which is why I missed every shot. Mario, can you not interfere with my sister? Toad, can you not interfere with my sister's sister?
Huh?
No, that's my sister!
That was not intentional.
Dude, it's so easy to lose where you're at with these fucking boomerangs. Never, you're blue.
We're too similar.
Don't go
go
there,
in there.
you'll die.
Don't go in there.
Not going there.
I'm staying back here. You weirdos go on ahead.
Oh, I got murdered them.
See you later, Mario.
It's Mario.
Guys, we better not mess up the end.
That happened last time, right?
Yeah, we messed it up like twice.
Uh-oh, we're almost out of lives, dude.
Oh, Jesus.
Stop drifting.
Let's
game.
take it easy at the end, by the way, because we gotta be quick to climb the blocks.
Dude, all these freaking F flowers, man. Are you going
It's
for
a
it?
sacrifice.
Thank you, Rosa.
Made it.
Oh, you made it. You're a pro gamer.
The spins. Oh god, guys.
No.
Guys, you gotta stall. You gotta stall.
Okay, I was like, save me, please. I'm begging you.
Dude, the ice.
It's like, are you okay?
No. Did I die?
I don't know.
You don't want to go back in. Ah! I got munched.
Kill Petey.
Boys, please be careful here. We gotta be fast. But also, like, oh god, here we go.
Oh! Peach!
I saved you, Peach.
Thank you. Yeah, you double bounced me. I forgive
saved
all
it.
your sins, Brando.
We did it! First try.
Woohoo!
Thank God.
Oh yeah, I lost
Kinda
80%
chubby
of my
when you're
lives.
tiny, Rosie.
What was that, Evie?
I said you kind of look chubby when you're tiny.
Oh. I need to start running again. You're right, I'm kind of wide.
It also looks like you have a pacifier in your mouth right now.
It does.
Rosie.
Baby Rosie. This one is pain.
The spiky bridge.
Bridge.
Spike bridge sneak.
The
There better
spiky spike
be-
bridge is back. But there's a catch.
But with sneak, I'm assuming it's probably got the spotlights from that other level.
That is correct.
Oh,
There's one
no.
problem. They're not like the spotlights from before.
Oh yeah. What happens? Don't move.
They don't turn off.
Oh, I see.
It's
That's
very
fine.
bad.
Let's go, Mario. I got
And
this.
here's the problem. If you get caught in a...
Yes!
They-
I love it.
They don't turn off, which is terrible, because if you get trapped in the middle of a ton of spikes, dude, you have to tank a hit.
Watch this. I'm a master of stealth. I'd say it's like
Mario almost got a spike up his pee.
Whoa!
What was that?
I don't know where the green star is at. Oh, it's up there.
Careful!
There we
No!
go.
It won't turn off!
I'm going, dude. I just
Go
gotta
for it!
We gotta have a cat suit though, right? For this, the green stuff. Or can we do bouncies? We can do bouncies.
We can bounce it up.
Thank you. Oh wait, never mind.
I'll bounce you! Ah!
Let's go! Teamwork!
Oh no!
And there goes everybody else.
Oh, fuck.
Girls, get it done.
I could make it, dude. Girl power?
No, dude, this level is hard.
I see. So you just want to be on the
You
side.
got the two slowest runners.
You're not like a wait fire, bro. More like dumb, bro.
More like dead.
Good job.
Oh no, 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 no.
We're good. Don't worry. Why are you running back? Why are you running? Please don't die. I'll take it.
Yeah.
There's nothing to the left this time.
No.
Last time there was. Oh, this is fast. What the heck?
Oh boy.
Okay, I got an idea.
You go over there and I'll... Oh, nice.
I murdered him. Well,
Well,
Oh gosh, I'm probably gonna die here.
there was the bubble, dude. It put...
Dude, what?
Whenever I'm in the final two, we never beat the level.
No, I was looking at this. I was like, "There's no way I can do this. You have to like already be on the side or something." Or maybe I just press B again.
yeah, you should have just launched yourself back to the right.
Spiky Spike Bridge.
Torpedoed. Back in we go.
This time I died last time. Here.
Nice.
Oh, no. Master.
Thank you, thank you.
Any cats want to head that way?
Not Toad.
Yeah, I'm not a cat.
Good job, Mario.
Oh god.
Excellent.
Okay, let's have what a small person hit that, and let's play the next item block slow. So like, don't mash it, because I want to try to get as many power ups as possible.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll hit this. Maybe. Good job. Okay, so Hit it once, just somebody. Okay, let me grab that. And now hit it again.
Okay.
And Rosa, grab that or use it. Okay, now you can hit it too. There we go. That way we don't just get useless mushrooms. Well,
Nice. Rosa.
there you go. How you're supposed to do it. Oh no.
Yeah, that what happened to Star happened to me. I don't know if it's slippery because of the rain or...
Oh, maybe.
I don't know if Mario games will pay that much attention to detail. Thank you for your sacrifice.
Dude. Why does it slow down when someone gets hurt?
I know.
I know, that's our biggest enemy today.
Ground pounding. Like, why do you ground pound?
Like that's
Dude,
even
I
if
had
we
to
weren't
kill
playing, even if we weren't playing online, those pauses are a thing. This part sucks.
I had to kill the step
Or
bro.
you could do that.
Oi!
I'm not. Oh, Mario. Drifting.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wait for us, brother! Wait for us!
Waiting for it to get off.
Can the bubble stop doing that to me?
I see green over there.
Go get it!
Dude, we can't kill Mario double, dude.
Mario bubble.
Oh, sacrifice yourself.
Mario.
How are you alive?
I was spamming spin. Alright, this is like a Mario Party minigame up in here.
Yeah, but this one's honestly easier than the others.
We got them all. The end, we can't wait for everybody. I'm afraid we can't wait for everyone at the end. You can see why.
Yeah. I'll go for it. And I have an extra hit because I'm a normal size peak.
Nice.
Or Mario can go.
Nonsense, I can do it.
Ouch, you
job,
gotta go
someone-
for it. You're gonna get hit. You gotta go for it.
Got it. We lost like 14 lives.
Someone's like, I said I would go for it, and then you just get hit twice and die.
Look, it's like earlier when... Yeah, there were a lot of sacrifices.
There were. Sacrifice City.
Wow.
That's right.
Sacrifice. It's time for the final level of World Flower.
Go.
Oh,
More
gosh.
Bow Wow.
Bowser's
Shadow.
Fury? The boss
Boss.
rush.
Oh no.
The challenge is not the bosses, but the time limit.
Oh god. I don't like this.
It's not that hard for people.
Take your pick, doesn't matter.
I want to go in this wall. Okay. Oh, it's this guy,
Oh,
the
it's this
Tic Tac
guy.
Toe dude.
Oh, it's Funker.
His name is
I have
Alan.
a different name for him.
You see, like, we can beat
Alan.
these guys easy. Like I said, it's just the timer.
I don't know. 500 seconds, but it doesn't seem like a huge issue to me.
Yeah, that sounds easy.
I could just be stupid.
It sounds easy. It's just some of these bosses are a little time consuming. But I have faith. I have faith.
This guy is not. If he's giving us a good pattern.
Oi! Yeah. Oh god. Oh, we got lucky with this guy.
Maybe. I was like, if we can hit him.
Let me get this.
Okay, sometimes they give us stars, so let's... Yeah, okay, we're good, we're good. We gotta be careful before
Yeah,
running
so
into
don't
blocks.
easily rush in like that. I want to go to this. Dude, I wanna go to that one.
You're too slow.
Ninjutsu?
Ninjutsu time.
Ninjala.
Look, it's Pamela.
I'm top 3 on the Ninjala leaderboards.
Didn't ask plus get ratio.
Oh, did I die?
You're dead.
Oh yeah, we're
Imagine
low on
that.
lives.
Pom.
Shit.
Get him, Toad.
I got it. I read it.
Easy money. You know, with multiplayer, this might be a lot
Don't hit in the
easier.
middle. Oh wait, I
Alright.
guess do stick in the middle.
Because some of them, I think, give the stars, so we gotta be careful.
Mario.
This one, single player, this one sucks.
Well, this is just Histocrat again.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
Oh, two.
yeah, single player, this fight eats your timer. But I think with multiplayer, we might be able to pull it off.
I hate these guys. I mean, this guy and girl.
Yeah. I don't think they give any cat suits.
Oh,
I think with Rosie, I could cheese this.
probably.
Oh, Mario!
What's that?
So,
You see, they're wasting so much time, dude. Somebody get that.
so what am I supposed to do?
You gotta bonk them on the head by climbing the plates, but the plates that have cracks will break immediately. So you gotta be quick. You can climb up them like a wall.
Okay, I was gonna ask. I was scared because what if you couldn't?
Yeah. Ah!
That works too.
Yeah.
They each take 3 hits, I'm assuming.
Yeah. You guys, yeah, we can try all climbing up. It's just tricky.
I won't.
Oh
I
god,
don't like this level, dude, at all.
this one's tough.
Oh, I wanted to do the combo, but I was dumb and didn't.
I think it is possible. I think to bonk both of them in one go.
Probably the speedrun strat.
Yeah, I think you get enough airtime. We've already taken over 100 seconds on this one alone. Nice. I think one. Oh, nice. Okay, so just one more hit on the queen.
Be careful, Mardio.
Good job, Rosa.
Alright,
Don't
next,
stand
wait, next.
or whatever.
Let's see if there's any stars. Yeah.
Nice. We take those.
Alright, let's mosey.
We're
Wait, did we
going
miss?
to this one. There, good. We're not going in sequential order. That's boring.
Oh my
This is-
god, it's Bernard.
He's mad.
You didn't skip arm day.
Shit, I missed.
Well,
Is he actually winning? Boom, boom.
Wait, what'd you just call him? I thought you called him a coon.
No. No, this is Brian.
dude.
Oh, I see.
You just called him Bernard. What's his name?
Ben? Oh! Okay.
What?
Get him! Oh god, get him!
Oh, well, thank God there wasn't a star.
There's another star will be on this one, probably.
Mario?
This is the rock guy. The golem.
It's Geodude!
That's definitely more golem. Without the little dino head at the front.
Actually, it's rock and roll.
Idiot.
Whoa.
Wow.
Not you.
Camera?
Him.
Chill.
I can't see anything. I got bubbled.
Yeah, just keep running.
I'll just stand
Or
here.
we're doing alright. We're doing okay. There you go, Peach.
Let's try to save. Oh, I died. Yeah, let's try to keep those.
No, it worked.
Watch this!
This one's gonna have a green star, so don't be rash.
Burner.
I wonder where the other green star will be. Oh, at the flagpole.
Probably around there.
Burn it.
Oh yeah, I see it. We only have. We only have a.
There's
Oh,
more.
it's Mark.
This guy.
It's Clowny Carl.
With the K.
Yeah.
This even laser.
He's hungry for more.
Leave me
Oh
alone.
god.
100%.
Frame rate.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm jumping. Hey, you
I don't know
died.
what's happening, but you guys are doing the right thing. We have 0 lives. All right.
Oh shit.
I can't see where I am. Help me,
Oh
please.
god, all 3 of you are small with 0 lives.
I'm a gunner.
Oh god. Get him, Mario. Nice.
Get the
I'm
cherry.
scared, honestly, though. I think Rosa should get the double cherry.
I'll try.
Stop chasing me.
I lost it immediately.
Oh no, it was not worth it, dude.
Stop chasing me.
Oh god, we can't get hit.
Get him.
No!
Mario, get him.
Get him, Mario.
Get him!
Oh no.
Get him! Oh
What are you doing?
no! No, it's hard, it's hard. Oh god. Oh, retreat!
Right.
Nice!
Oh,
They
my
gotta get the flagpole now, or we gotta redo the entire level. Unless
Even
we
if
can
you
get a
beat the
lot.
level, at least we got all the stars.
We make it alive here.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah, it's enough.
Let's
You're
go.
funny. You're funny. Stop trolling.
I guess
Perfect.
Oh yeah, sure. We wanted to continue it. Dude, I don't think it's ever gonna make me be the one that gets revived.
I know.
You see, we only barely beat that in time.
Back to no lives.
Perfect. First try, guys. Well done. That's a wrap on World Flower, everyone. It can be a challenge. The Histocrats eat up all your time.
I hate
Yeah, I
those
realized
guys.
that.
Yeah, it's tough. It's tough.
Fuck the rich.
We had an easy time thanks to Rosa Spin and Peach Float and multiplayer
And Toad's quickness.
and Mario's sneaky jumps.
All right. What's next?
The final
world.
Hello, I'm pressing A.
Kingdom Hearts.
To access the final world, you need up to this point, you need to get every single green star, every single stamp, and the top of every flagpole.
Oh, wow.
So because we already did, we're good to go. Next time, viewers, the end,
There it is.
the final world,
Rocket
World
ship.
12. See you then.
Goodbye.